We're going to retrieve the tall machine today. Old Yeller, Bumblebee, whatever you want to call her. We're going. Well, we got it loaded up and we're on our way home now. Yeah, it smokes just a bit. But that truck's, we got like a bunch of different names for it. Old Yeller, Old Yellow, Bumblebee. Yeah, just about anything you can think of. So they're doing construction over here on route on 50. So we got, Dad's gonna drive it through just the town of Lawrenceville. It's a lot easier for him, I guess. I don't know. I didn't have any trouble going down 50 on the way here, but he might not want to take a chance with that thing on there. Well, we made it. Finally made it home. I don't know that he's gonna unload it today, but we'll find out, I guess. Put the whole Mack up now. Pull across the road back where it belongs. She's put back away for a while. Just at rest. She will return though. We still got an excavator to haul eventually. So this is just gonna be a little quick reminder video kind of thing. Because we aren't in the fields and we haven't really done anything around the farm today at all. And yeah, I don't really know what to do to make a video out of it, but at 2,000 subscribers I'm gonna make a video for farm tour. So 2,000 subscribers, keep it going. We're almost there, like 1,800. So once we get there, we'll do a whatchamacallit video, or a farm tour video. Be pretty cool. Might have some drone stuff in there and some new music and all that stuff, and I got a new editor that I can add in some more stuff and make it a little bit more fun and playful. Also, I got another drone video. I might put that in here too with this video. Also, we're about halfway done on planting, so we're about done planting corn and bean, or we're getting closer, I guess. Russellville's still underwater. Emerson is still got the river up, so that means that we can't get on it yet, which makes it kind of frustrating, but there ain't nothing else that we can do about it besides just sit and wait. I don't think, we aren't taking any preventative plant. We're just gonna plant through it and hope for the best. It is June 1st right now, so that's what we're gonna do. We might end up hooking up the air seeder next week to try and hammer in some more beans whenever we get a tractor freed up, and they're working on putting on anhydrous. We went and got Dad's planter today. It was sitting in a foot of water like Sean's was, and we just couldn't get to Dad's because it's down a grass lane, and you gotta be able to get down the lane. So we got Dad's planter back home. The two cultivators are here. They've been working on them, touching them up some, and then there's been some other little things going on, like greasing, working on the cultivators and stuff like that. That's about it, but we really didn't do too much today. Ross was thinking about going spraying. He went to Russellville yesterday and worked at Russellville on some stuff. So if you look here, the river looks like it peaked at 15.7. It's going to go back down on June the 7th. So we might be able to get in Russellville. Probably the 11th or 12th. But we got to get done at Robinson first. If we go up there and we go there for a good day, 2 days, something like that, and we get going and go at it hard, we could probably get done up there. We wound up having ended up having 6 inches of rain south of our house, or south of the farm here. That's a lot of rain for us to take. So of course, you know, it's going to wash a lot of water in. We might end up having to do some replants later, but we'll do it. We'll get it done. So anyways, remember, the farm tour will be here on whenever I hit 2,000 subscribers. Might be next Wednesday if I keep going like what I am. And then that will include like everything, like a tour of basically our office, our shops, our seed shed, the chemical barn, the grain elevator. It'll show all that except for like what we don't have here. It'll just be what we have here at the main farm. And then we'll do tractors, combines, planters, field cultivators, sprayers, maybe some semis, not a whole bunch of them because I don't know where they all are. Most of the time they're not here. And then probably do one, I don't know, probably show some of the irrigations or something like that too, just something a little bit different too. We will also show some of the stuff that like you don't see a lot, like we have a boom truck, we have excavators, we have 3 excavators, 2 backhoes, a loader, or 1 backhoe, a loader, a bulldozer. We just have some little odds and ends here and there that I haven't really put in here because I haven't been around it. And then I think that's going to be what's going to go in that. But remember, 2,000 subscribers. Let's get it. Let's get there. I'm excited. 2,000 people is a lot of people because my school is... My graduating class had 100 kids in it, and there's about 600 or 700 kids in my high school. That's a lot of people. So it's hard to believe that there's that many people watching my videos. But I mean, I know some people though, they have like 200,000. That's crazy to think about, but it is what it is. We'll get there. We'll do it. So anyways, guys, remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think about doing a farm tour. You'll get to see a lot of things. But yeah, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below if you got any questions for me. And we will see you guys next time whenever we get back in the fields, hopefully. Hopefully next Monday. We're crossing our fingers that next Monday and Tuesday we can get some good days of running.